Hello everyone, it is Erin Photo here, and I am here using the Ancient Worlds kit that I did way back when for my November setup in my A5 bullet journal. I am also using some extra goodies from Archer and Olive. This scrapbook paper, not scrapbook paper, this dot grid paper is from, I think it's the September 2021 sub box. And the kit in the colors of this paper just matched so well. So I decided to go ahead and use it for some accents and to bring some more paper into the setup. So I used a lot of blue with gold accents in the sticker kit. So I decided that the blue paper with the gold acrylograph accents for the title would be absolutely beautiful. So I am putting in a nice little script, and I'm going to go ahead and show you, since it is an acrylograph, how I do the faux calligraphy. So on the downstrokes, I put another line and then fill in so that all of the downstrokes look thicker, and that is called faux calligraphy. So if you don't have a brush pen to give you those particular downstrokes, you can always do it just by faking it just a little bit. So I have the craft paper pot to be the accent piece for this particular cover page, and then I go in with my Archer and Olive Calliographs to put in the background. And you can see I am using some of that spare paper, that is the back side of the paper, so that I can go to the end of the paper without worrying about getting pen all over the ends of the paper. So I am going in and I am adding the black accents to both the pot and to the mountain range, and I'm going to come back to that at some point to finish things off, but now we are moving on to the calendar. One of the things that I love to do in my setups is to maintain some sort of theme where everything is kind of getting tied together. So I am bringing the blue paper back to put an edge on the top and putting this month so that I can really just have a header for that particular space. I am having a habit tracker section over on my right hand side, and then continuing on the left hand side with my calendar. I am using a dark blue Calliograph for this particular calendar setup. And of course, I am using the stickers to go with my setup, which is from my Ancient Worlds kit. So I have the washi tape down on the bottom, and I am going to go ahead and add some accent stickers throughout this page just to fill up that negative space. I felt like it really needed just some little bit of accents. So I have the smaller pots over on the left hand side because there wasn't much room under the calendar, and I have the bigger images over on the right hand side. And then I am going in and marking my calendar Monday through Sunday. I am always a Monday start girl. I cannot for the life of me do a Sunday start calendar because my work week starts on a Monday. I often do things together on the weekend. So for me, it doesn't really make sense to have a Sunday start when my Monday start calendar would be different. I don't know. I don't really get it. So I am going in and finishing the boxes for my habit trackers. And then I'm going to go in and label all of the habits that I want to track this month. So that is working out, running, yoga, doing abs, my prescription, and taking supplements. Once I number everything in, I am moving on to the next page where I do my workout log. This is a log that I've done in the past. You can already see that I put in my numbers here, although I think I forgot to take off the 31 days. I may do it later. I can't quite remember. So for my workout log, I log in how many calories I burn throughout the day and what types of workouts I do throughout the day. So I have the section to the left, which is my bar graph, and then the workout type over to the right hand side. Okay, so clearly I remembered that there are not 31 days in November, which is extremely helpful to get it correct. I do put down my washi tape, although I did not have much room, so I did have to cut off the excess bottom, which isn't too big of a deal because a lot of my older sticker kits had white surroundings, so I didn't lose much of the actual design when it came down to it. So I am putting up a new banner. So this is from a bazaar, and I am putting a brain dump section. So this is kind of my master task list, so to speak. So I use my dot marker and have labels for each of the sections, but I also needed a place to put my monthly goals. So I put a section over in the bottom left to have a space for each of my monthly goals, which I have not done my goal review, so I don't quite know what those goals are right now. But I am going in and I am adding the cute little accents over here. So for a lot of these sticker kits where I am looking into things that I don't have personal knowledge of, so for example, ancient Egypt, I do like to do a lot of research before I do these kits so that I am doing a culture and a theme justice. So I did do a lot of that while I was working on this kit back with my patrons. And I really do adore how it ended up turning out. And I love having all of this negative space filled. It's so much fun to look into other cultures and find out new things. So I really do like exploring things like this because then I feel like I get to know so much more than I did previously just by doing a sticker theme, which is a lot of fun for me. So thank you so much for joining me for this November setup. I hope you all enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.